Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Eric Roberts. This is for Play and Sing TV and Worship the King. We're doing the Lion and the Lamb today. We're going to go through the chart. I'm going to play through, count through, spell check, order check, everything. Make sure all the chords are right. And I'm welcoming you into the studio in this series every day. And at the end of the month, the songs will be in the new Songbook. You can also get these. Now I'm putting them up into the Worship the King membership area. So you can join for just $1. Go to worshiptheking.com/join. You can check for the description right down there. The intro goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's kind of the intro. It goes down, down, down. Man, I tell you what. I've got a cough drop and I've got a dry throat too, so I don't know how this video is going to really pan out. But that's just how it is right now. It's 99% humidity. It's 99 degrees outside. And I have like this dry throat. But the beginning goes down, 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 bow, 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 bow. That's kind of He's coming on the clouds. Kings and kingdoms will bow down. And I'm checking for accuracy here too. Eighth notes. And every chain will break. His broken hearts declare his praise. Who can stop the Lord Almighty? Our God is a lion, the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles, and every knee will bow before him. So when we do this, the first time through is sort of like you just play on the downbeats, but you still count like, our God is a lamb, the lamb that was slain for the sins of the world. His blood breaks the chains, and every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Oh, every knee will bow before him. Okay, that's all good. That's all perfect. So, and I'm strumming, if you guys are wondering, I'm strumming eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Open up the gate, make way before the King of Kings. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. The God who comes to save is here to set the captives free. For who can stop the Lord Almighty? Our God is a lion, the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles, and every knee will bow before him. Our God is a lamb, the lamb that was slain for the sins of the world. His blood breaks the chains, and every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Oh, every knee will bow before him. That's when you go to the A minor instrumental bridge. So that's down here, right here. So it's like 1, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And I think I might, I'll leave the G/B in there because you can play A minor to G. So 1. Stop the Lord Almighty. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the bridge. This is basically the bridge chords, okay? And then we go, who can stop the Lord? Who can stop the Lord Almighty? Who can stop the Lord Almighty? Just repeat that. Almighty. Who can stop the Lord Almighty? Who can stop the Lord Almighty? Who can stop the Lord Ba 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 ba. Our God is alive, the Lion of Judah. He's roaring in power and fighting our battles. Okay, so that's pretty good. Problem is, I want to see if I can go. Okay, whoa, that is opening up all kinds of stuff. I don't want all these tabs open. Wonder that was all open before. Lion and the Lamb lyrics. I'm gonna say, I just want to check these lyrics. Let's check the lyrics on the chart against what I have. Let's see. Not sure why. Oh, this opened in full screen. Hold on now. There we go. Our God is the Lion, so you can't see those, but I can. Our God is the Lion of Judah, who's roaring with power for the sin of the world. His blood breaks the chains. Open up the gate, make way before the King of Kings. Our God who comes to save. Our God who calls the saved is here. What? Our God who calls the saved is here to set the captives free. Who can stop the Lord Almighty? That's different. Why do those lyrics look different? Let's check out the Bethel A to Z lyrics page. I'm just trying to see. The God who comes to save is here to set the captives free. For who can stop the Lord Almighty? Okay, that's what I thought. Our God is the Lion. So these lyrics. Okay, the lyrics look right. Every chain will break as broken hearts declare His praise. Who can stop the Lord Almighty? All right, so remember, you can get this chart when you join the Worship the King. You can get at least the video and some of the charts. Almighty. Who can stop the Lord Almighty? That is a question. I'm not going to put question marks in the chord chart. I'm going to leave the B flat. First ending into the intro. Second ending to the bridge. And then... so this is the song. Yeah, just go to worshiptheking.com if you want to get through more. On that song, I was doing all downs. I was doing all downs and with a flip. Our God is Lion, the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles. And I don't like how that fighting has a little battles, but I want to put a little space there. This is a good chart. It's a good chart. It's a great song. And I like to do that vocally in the beginning. Whoa. So that's it. That's the chart for today. Go to Worship the King, worshiptheking.com if you want the chart. You want to do this, connect with me, and you can join for $1, and you can get a bunch of the songs out of the new songbook, the new 2020 songbook. God bless you guys.